In this video, I want to be giving you my Coursiv AI review. Is this AI course creator worth it? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Coursiv AI is an app designed to make course creation simple and fast using AI. Instead of spending hours writing lessons or designing slides, you can enter a topic and the AI instantly helps you generate course outlines, scripts, quizzes, and even marketing materials. It's aimed at creators, teachers, and entrepreneurs who want to build online courses without needing advanced tech or even design skills. The app's biggest strength is how easy it is to use. You can go from idea to finished course in just a few minutes with AI generated modules that actually make sense. It also includes tools for video structure, lesson summaries, and even SEO friendly descriptions for platforms like Udemy or Teachable. For anyone who struggles with organizing content or coming up with course ideas, Coursiv AI saves a lot of time and effort. However, it's not perfect. While the artificial intelligence does a great job of structure, the generated content can sometimes feel generic and might need human editing to sound more natural or even engaging. Also, the free version has limited features, so to unlock the best tools like branding options and full exports, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. Overall, Coursiv AI is a powerful tool for anyone serious about creating courses efficiently. It takes the heavy lifting out of planning and writing, giving you a strong foundation to build form. If you're an educator, coach, or content creator looking to save time while keeping your workplace professional, Coursiv AI is definitely worth trying.